Better tech for baggage tracking? That's our Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from Package Inc. is CEO Bryan Davis. Hi, Bryan.
Hi, Fred. Great to be here.
Great to see you. And you've got some news to tell us about. Start out with some background about what you're doing in the company.
So Package Inc. is introducing a game changer in travel security with Luggage Cam, the luggage logistics tracking and security system that turns any bag into a smart bag and enables airlines and travelers to track, monitor, and secure every piece of luggage in real time at all times throughout their travels.
So what you're developing here is a whole ecosystem. Tell us about the components and what you're developing.
Sure. So our product ecosystem includes beginning with three products. The first one is Smart Clip, which is a secure core wireless audio video security system that securely locks onto your luggage handle, turning any travel bag into a smart bag, featuring continuous location tracking, real-time video streaming, motion shock and tamper monitoring, mobile alerts, and alarm. And what we're really doing is solving a core problem in the industry, which is that over 76,000 bags are mishandled every day by airlines, adding up to over 28 million bags per year. And about 5% of those bags are never found. And that costs airlines and travelers hundreds of millions of dollars in losses. And we're building a true comprehensive end-to-end solution, both for airlines and for travelers, to be able to track, monitor, and secure their luggage at all times throughout their travels.
And you're currently raising funds for this on WeFunder. Tell me about that.
We just launched our WeFunder campaign. It's WeFunder/Package Inc. And we are opening this up for everybody to own a stake in the future of luggage tracking and travel security.
So describe for us how this will roll out and how this happens, because you want to work not only with consumers, you want to work with airlines and airports.
Yes, we're introducing a leasing model that will allow airlines not just to help solve their issues with luggage tracking, but also to provide them with a whole new revenue model, so that passengers will be able to lease luggage cam products directly from the airlines on a per flight or round trip basis, which introduces a whole new revenue stream for the airlines, as well as a true end-to-end solution for passengers.
So consumers wouldn't necessarily be buying this
They will. They'll be able to purchase it. They'll be able to lease it. There'll be lots of different options where they can do it through the airports, through the airlines, or direct customer.
How do you overcome the challenges of maintaining enough charge in a device that clips on a luggage handle to provide video and audio and be able to provide the tracking?
Yes, well, we're doing a dual power system. So we really are dealing with tracking and the other all the sensor monitoring, basically at the same time, with low power as well as higher power solutions, so that way you're not going to be doing higher power video tracking all the time. It'll be in short bursts, and so we'll be able to have actually a very long battery life and use, and we'll be able to recharge the clips as well as the tags, probably on a bi-weekly basis.
So step us through what the vision is, how this all comes together from the passenger's point of view.
Well, from the passenger's point of view, either they own the Smart Clip and Smart Tag. So just to give a better background on the products, in addition to tracking, what we're introducing is on luggage real-time data. So by that, I mean that one of the challenges that the airlines face is that there's no real-time information on the luggage itself if anything changes. So if a flight is missed, if gates are changed, there's no way of knowing that bag has been misplaced. So rather than just having a dot on a map, so existing tracking devices really are just a dot on a map that only the passenger can see, we're introducing a true solution both for the airlines and the passengers, where they have real-time data on the luggage itself on our smart tag system, where they'll see when there's a flight missed, they'll have real-time flight itinerary updates, and that supports both the airlines, the baggage handlers, and the passengers, as well as introducing real on-luggage security so that you know who's handling your bag, you know when your bag is opened, and you have true end-to-end security at all times.
And what do you feel the realistic time frame is for having this available?
It's gonna be an 18 to 24 month rollout in terms of full product development for our first generation of products, and then we'll be introducing many generations after that. So the Package Inc. ecosystem covers a whole portfolio of logistics products, where we're really introducing a whole new model for logistics that's not just for companies but for people, so that they're able to secure their luggage, they're able to secure their bikes. We're introducing a whole ecosystem that really makes security something that's available for all of us, and we're solving some real core problems in that process. So we're really excited to be able to open this up for everybody to be able to participate.
And from a passenger's perspective here, if I buy one of these or wind up leasing one, how do I know if the particular airport or airline is working with the system, and how crucial is that to this being a valuable addition?
The great thing is that we can work either directly through the airlines or directly with the customers. The security process will work either way. So this is a solution that can be purchased directly by the end customer and the passenger, so that they're able to track, monitor, and secure their luggage throughout their travels, or this can be done directly through the airlines or through the airports. The great part is we're really building a universal solution where we're not dependent on existing infrastructure to be able to work. We'll really be able to provide this value to customers regardless of how they acquire the products or services.
So is there then a cellular connection built into this?
There is a cellular connection
Step us
built
through.
into this. We have cellular, we have Wi-Fi only, as well as lower power models, but we're building a whole product portfolio so that people can choose the system that best fits their needs.
And I would use an app as a consumer to see
Yes.
where my luggage is, and maybe get the last snapshot or video clip available. Is that
That's right. So you would know, like, for example, when your luggage is being opened or handled, you get to have real-time video feed. Whenever your luggage is loaded onto the plane, you'll have real-time updates, and so you really have peace of mind throughout your travels. I mean, one of the biggest challenges through travel is that if you lose your luggage, there's really not much that can be done, and it often takes days, sometimes weeks, and for many people never to be able to, and it costs not just the passengers but the airlines a fortune to try to track this down. So we're really building a comprehensive solution that benefits both the airlines and the passengers, and will generate hundreds of millions of dollars in future revenue, not just for us but for the airlines.
And I assume you've been out there knocking on doors already at airports or airlines.
Yes,
tell us what kind of response you're getting.
We've been getting a very positive response, but we absolutely are in talks with both airlines and airports.
All right. And they would offer this, your hope is, within the airport, people could buy these if they don't have them already.
Exactly right. Yes.
And tell us what your thoughts are about where the pricing is going to come in.
Well, we're not giving out the pricing yet, but it'll range, because there's a wide range of options that they'll be able to do. So they'll be at the lower end options up to the higher end options, depending upon the value of what you're taking with you on your trip and your belongings. And we're also, because we're going to be doing a leasing model for people who are cost conscious, they'll be able to lease this on a per flight or round trip basis.
Very interesting. So for more information, where should people go?
If you can, please visit us on our WeFunder campaign. We'd love all of you to be involved. We're really, this is going to be a really huge process. So please join us at WeFunder/Package Inc. or visit us at package.inc.
And it's INC, that kind of ink.
Package.inc. Yes, package.inc. Yes.
Terrific. Well, congratulations on the innovations there. Wish you lots of luck. Bryan Davis, thanks for spending time with us.
Thank you so much.